Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to change the default PDF viewer on your Windows computer. So what we want to do is on our taskbar, go down and find the start icon and right click on that. This is going to open us up a menu, and what we want to do next is click on where it says settings. In our settings menu area, what we want to do is go down and find where it says apps and click on that. And then we want to take a look at where it says default apps and select that option. And then in this search bar here at the top, we want to enter the file type or link type. So this file type is going to be a PDF, so that's what we're going to type in here. And then we can select the PDF option in this drop-down menu. And right now it's showing me that I have Firefox, the internet browser, selected as my default for opening up PDF documents. So if you'd like to change the default, we're going to select what shows up here as the default option. This is going to bring us up a menu where we can select the default app, and in this case for PDF files, it shows the default app right here. It shows suggested apps that you could switch out, some more options, and you can also browse the Microsoft Store or choose an app on your PC if you don't see what you're looking for in this area. So let's say I wanted to switch it over to Microsoft Edge, so I would click on that, and then I'd click Select Default. And now PDF files will open up in this instance with Microsoft Edge, and I can always switch it back by clicking right here, and then clicking the previous option and clicking Set Default. So this is going to be the area where you can set the default app for opening up PDF files. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.